A blackout can strike when you least expect it, leaving your home without electricity. But how do you keep essential devices, like your laptop, running to access the life-saving information stored on it? In most homes, we rely on main power to run everything, from lights to laptops. But during a blackout or crisis, your usual appliances and chargers become useless. How can you generate and convert energy when the grid is down? In this episode, Stay Ready at Home shares some tips on how to transform one energy source into another. Part 2. The energy converters. During a blackout, there's a challenge. The sources you have don't always provide the type of electricity your devices need. That's where energy converters come in. This energy conversion matrix shows how to transform one energy source into another. In everyday situations, we use standard converters, like chargers that transform main supply to 12-volt, or USB adapters. But when there's no main supply, the challenge becomes converting lower voltages, like from a car battery, into something usable for your devices. In this section, we'll explore 6 key converters from the Stay Ready at Home energy conversion matrix and how they can help you power your essentials during a blackout. Let's dive in. Converter A. A single-phase to three-phase converter allows you to power devices that require three-phase electricity, like industrial machines. However, this is rarely needed in a household setting. But if you have found a three-phase water pump that can take care of your water needs, it is very convenient to power the pump. Converter B. These DC to AC converters are often used in larger vehicles like trucks or campers. They can transform from a 24-volt battery into a main supply output to power household devices. This can be useful for powering the main supply ventilation system during power outages, ensuring fresh air circulation throughout the house. Converter C. These DC to AC inverter is essential for using a car 12-volt batteries to power appliances. Remember, car batteries can't sustain high loads for long, so use them wisely. This can be useful to charge the notebook with its special charger, containing all your Stay Ready at Home videos and documents during periods of power outages. Converter D. Step-up and step-down converters are very versatile tools for managing a wide range of DC voltages, making them very useful for powering different types of devices. The input voltage may even be lower than required. In theory, it is even possible to light a car headlight on a penlight battery, but it does not have enough energy and therefore burns very briefly. Converter E, USB to 12-volt. This small device allows you to use a standard USB port, for example a power bank, to power car devices. They're perfect for small car gadgets, walkie-talkies, or even a citizen's band radio that normally runs on a 12-volt battery, but can now operate using a USB power bank and converter. Converter F, a penlight battery box to USB converter, lets you use standard ATA or AAA batteries to charge devices through USB. It's a great backup for low-power USB-powered gadgets. Converter G, USB rechargeable batteries. Modern technology has made batteries more versatile than ever. Did you know that many battery types can now be charged directly through USB? These include A, AAA, C, D, and even 9-volt batteries. These rechargeable batteries are incredibly convenient for powering small household devices like clocks, kitchen scales, or remote controls. But during a power outage, you might wonder, how useful is it to have remote controls working without a functioning device to control? In summary, energy conversion during a blackout requires creative solutions. From fuel generators to small USB converters, the right tool depends on your power source and needs. Always plan ahead and choose the safest options. For those just starting out with home survival preparations, we recommend having the following devices in your toolkit. Converter C, 12-volt to main supply. This is essential because 12-volt batteries and main supply voltages are the two most commonly used in households. Converter D, the step-up, step-down converter. With this versatile tool, you can create almost any DC voltage you need. But be cautious. A basic understanding of electricity is required to use it safely and effectively. Converter G, the USB rechargeable batteries. Start replacing all non-rechargeable batteries in your small household devices with USB rechargeable ones. By doing this now, you'll eliminate one less problem during a power outage. In other Stay Ready at Home videos, we'll dive deeper into the tools and devices we recommend. You'll learn how to set up a foldable solar panel to charge your devices, operate a hand crank for emergencies, and safely use converters like the step-up, step-down model to power essential equipment. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep your loved ones fully powered up. Don't forget to subscribe to Stay Ready at Home for more tips to help you be a ready at home. If you enjoyed this video or have tips of your own, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, always use energy devices within their recommended safety limits. Not all energy sources can handle high loads. Overcharging or improperly connected equipment can be dangerous. Stay Ready at Home cannot be held responsible for any damage or misuse.